hippo, hippo. Spinosaurus, Spinosaurus. Whale, whale. Walrus, walrus. Frog, frog. Shark, shark. Hammerhead shark, hammerhead shark. Dolphin. A dolphin is an aquatic mammal. Hammerhead shark. The hammerhead shark are a group of sharks that form the family Sphinidae. Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus is a genus of spinosaurid dinosaur that live in what now is North Africa. Sharks. Sharks are a group of elasmobranch fish. Walrus. Walrus is the name of two commons in northern France. Whale. Whales are widely distributed and diverse group of fully aquatic placental marine mammals. Frogs. A frog is any member of a diverse. Hippo. The hippopotamus or hippo further qualified. Dolphin, walrus, spinosaurus, frog, hammerhead shark, hippo. Dolphin, dolphin. Walrus, walrus. Spinosaurus, spinosaurus. Frog, frog. Hammerhead shark, hammerhead shark. Hippo, hippo. Whale, whale. Shark, shark. Spinosaurus, frog, walrus, shark, dolphin, turtle, Whale. Hammerhead shark. Penguin. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead shark. Frog. Frog. Whale. Whale. Shark. Shark. Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus. Walrus. Walrus. Dolphin. Dolphin. Penguin. Penguin. Dolphin. Turtle. Turtle. Horse. 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 Tiger. The tiger is the largest living cat species and a member. Bear. Bear are mammals that belong to the family Ursidae. Reindeer. The reindeer or caribou is a species of a deer. Zebra. Zebras are African equines with distinctive black and white coats. Hen. 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 A bighorn sheep. A bighorn sheep. Giraffe. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal. Lion. The lion is a large cat of genus Panthera. Panda. The giant panda is a bear species endemic to China. Hippo. Hippopotamus are large semi-aquatic mammal. Cow. 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 Cat. 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 Hen. 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 Cow. 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 Lion. The lion is a large cat of genus Panthera. Hippo. Hippopotamus are large semi-aquatic mammal. Reindeer. The reindeer or caribou is a species of a deer. Bear. Bear are mammals that belong to the family Ursidae. Giraffe. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal. Zebra. Zebras are African equines with distinctive black and white coats. A bighorn sheep. A bighorn sheep. Horse. Horse. Panda. The giant panda is a bear species endemic to China.